Okay, now we know we have smoke. We have a nice smoke at reasonable speed. And if we speed up, we have really good smoke, but we don't smoke ourselves out. At low speed, we still have some smoke, and I can increase that if I need to. We're still below 2 amps, so that's a good thing. But now you're going down the road, you want to stop, and you need to back up. How do you back up if you're converting through the rectifier to get your DC? Neutral, reverse. Wow, something does that. Yes, there is a digital board that gives you a reverse for DC, and guess what? It's made by Lionel. It's inside this. I just stole it from a tender that I had. I could probably pull it out, but I don't want to monkey with it right now. But this is a Lionel PC board that's called Digital Reverse, and it's 00-010300, something like that. And they're about $25. So $25, $5 or $10, DC can, smoke. Now, I have angel hair, but I don't have nichrome wire. What I have is a 26 ohm heater from Lionel. No nichrome wire. Angel hair. This is a DC motor with the original DC magnet. Now, this is like from 47. I have them. I have these motors. I like these motors. But you know, I'm an engineer, right? So, I like to change stuff. And that's what I do. So, here's some new heavy-duty magnets that replace the old one. Actually, this is a conversion that I put together. Look at that. Ah, it's magnetized. This is a AC armature stripped and put magnets in it. This is an look at that. Everything sticks to it. This is the original DC field set, just like that, but I put big magnets in it. Big, new, high-strength magnets. So you can supercharge it, you can run it at a factory, you can get your smoke, you can get rid of the nichrome wire and use a common resistor, and you still have your angel hair, you still have your puff and chuff, and you can still go forward and backward. No moving parts, no fingers. You have to convert. Anything AC has to be converted to DC. Well, the DC to the smoke helps with because of this guy. The smoke can run on AC, but you can't regulate it as well. This works well. The buck boost board works so well. I go ahead and put that rectifier in. The rectifier is built in onto the Lionel board. You don't need it. It has built-in rectifier. Okay, so you can put AC into the Lionel board and it puts out DC. This part is built in. So you could get a smaller one of these if you're just doing the smoke. You could get a 2 amp version probably and be fine. But notice when I slow down, amperage, see here, I go 60, 90, 100. The engine's running faster, but I use less voltage. That's because of the smoke. That's because of the buck boost. When I slow down, I'm still asking for 9 volts, and I'm getting 8.8. And we're still getting a nice, healthy pop of smoke. Okay? So it all ties in. Anyway, there we are. Smoke, runs like stink, and we can back up. So that, my friends, is going to get buttoned up, and I'm going to build it into I don't know. I guess I'm gonna clean this and see how well it cleans up. If it cleans up as good as this one, then I'll use that one. I don't know. Okay. If it stays dirty and it doesn't work well, this is a clean one. But look, it has the reverse and boiler thing. I'm gonna have to fill that in, and it also has the narrow smokestack, so I'm gonna have to drill that out. But look at this. It has the chassis holder tangies. And this one, they were been stolen. Jeez. So I'd have to clean this one and put the tangs in. This one I just assemble it and worry about that piece there somehow. Okay, we'll figure it out. They're both 312s, which is odd. But clearly this is the one that came with it. I have the tender chassis. So it looks like I'm going to be putting that reverse and that rectifier and that buck boost on this instead of the mechanical reverse. I have mechanical reverse, but I forgot to do them with, you know what? DC is a pain, so you need a rectifier anyway. So okay, that's it. I got to put these, somehow stitch these together and put them up. You see them. Bye.